Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to guide you that how you can lock a particular chat in WhatsApp. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So the first thing you need to do is to open your WhatsApp application and then you need to tap on the chat that you want to lock. Once you open the chat, you need to tap on the profile name of that chat. Then you need to scroll down where you will find chat lock. You need to enable this one. Once you tap on enable, they say confirm to lock your chat, scan your fingerprint, or you can use the pattern which is set on your phone as well, the lock pattern. So I will choose fingerprint. You need to tap on that one, and now the chat has been locked. So now in the next step, I will show you that how you can find the locked chats. As you can see, it disappeared from here. All you need to do is to drag the chat menu and you will find the option lock chats. You need to tap on that one and then you need your fingerprint to unlock it. So here, as you can see, these are the lock chats. Here you need to tap on that and here you can start chatting again. You can video call or anything that you want to do. So guys, this is how you can lock a chat in WhatsApp. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.